Hello and welcome to this series. So now I am going to retrieve all the data what we have inserted. So I am going to insert one more data admin. So bag and I am going to insert bottle, bottle bottle. Now what is the size is I say 12 12 and the weight is 45 kg. Okay, hit save. So now this thing is saved. If I want to delete, I can directly delete here. So what I want to do is I want to retrieve all these things in my this dashboard. So what I need to do is first I need to remove this in view. First I need to remove this thing and import the model, because whatever I want to pass the data into the index.html, first I need to import the models, current directory models, import star, because I don't know how much models I am going to make in this series. So write it as you can say object, you can take the object is equal to, what is the name of model? BAG, capital name was there, BAG. Okay, BAG dot objects dot all the models are going to be picked up and pass here the obj. So now everything is passed here and it is directly transmitted in the form of dictionary here. So the thing is fruits are my ID. Is it correct? Yes, it is correct. So what I need to do is first I need to pass it as, for the thing I need to mention it here, right? Models dot name. Okay, done and done. Let's see, is it working or not? Now it is working, completely working. Now I can change these things. Here are my items and fruits. It's it's not formal, I can say. Okay, it is come out. So where is my views? Here is my views. So I need to pass these items dictionary, hit save, and index here items. So here are my items. I need to align in the center, and everything is correct here. So it will be directly lying into that thing. Okay, paragraph. Here I will take the paragraph, close this tag and hit this thing. So now hit save and let's see what would going to happen. So now you can say these are things, right? Align center. There is no need to pass the error because it's an inline tag and it takes it. So now everything is correct and it is in correct format. So I need to make a very formal in this thing. So what I need to do is I need to create a table. So first I need to take a table and hide this center from here and write a table here, and okay, take it as, now here is my table. So what I need to do is first I need to align is at center, and okay, so now tr and then td, td, hit copy and hit paste. So now here I am going to pass the ID. you will say we have not inserted any ID, but it's a default because it takes the default character. Like I will show you in wait, not in wait, initial. First I need like this. It is auto filled, it is automatically generated at the time of generation of table. So we write the name here, what we have mentioned, size, if you remember, and size, and then weight. Yes, it is okay. So now everything is done. Hit save and let's see what is the progress. So now you can say we have this table right in the top form. Go into this and directly enter into this thing and write tr sorry tr here is my tr and then td. So here I can pass this thing, I can pass this thing here, copy and paste. So I will do this thing same, copy, paste, paste, paste. So now everything is done. Now I need to change these things. abc.name, I need to id, name, size, and this thing is weight. So now everything is done. Hit save and let's see what is like this. So now this thing is very great. So now what I want is, I want to be in very formal, so pass the border as 2 pixel and okay, and in tr you need to pass the bg color as yellow, red, any purple. I like blue, so it would be much more great. So now you can say these are my data. So everything is done here, and I will going to pass this thing. And the second thing is, if I mention as the, where is my views, where is here, if I mention as accept here, like order by names, like it will directly say which name in a ascending order, right? So hit save and refresh it. So now you can say bottle is in, it is in, you know, alphabetical format. If you like this video, please hit like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. In next video I am going to make a form that whatever we insert and it will directly appear in this format, right? So before that we need to learn about the concept of redirecting, right? Just after that we will do the inserting thing, right? If you like this video, please hit like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.